Yesterday, Easter holiday Monday, I was driving from a site and I spotted this little guy from a road. Now, that's not a normal type of rescue that I normally do. Usually, it's just a call outs for a mobile welding work. But hey, just spotted this little guy in such bad weather. Knowing how little he is, he's probably just going to be about 3-4 weeks old. He needs milk all the time and he needs to be warm. So, in a bad weather like this, it's very unlikely he would last very long. So, I had to stop in and cut him out. Saying that it's the second time in my life it happened, and it's the first time I had actually phone in my pocket, so I was managed to film it. I've put a jacket over a little guy just to keep him sheltered from wind and have a better control over him. And this way he's not going to be bouncing around if he has any strength. And I was proceeded to cutting out the mesh, just some sort of like Kevlar mesh with some looks like wire strings through it as well. But I don't really know why farmers keep using this bloody thing, because it's the second time that I had to pull a little lamb out of it. At this time, I didn't know how long he's been there, and I was concerned whether he'd have enough strength to get to Mumsy, so I kind of walked across a field trying to get closer to sheep. And as I was walking, I feel that he was kicking quite strong, so he was had enough strength, and for that reason, I just let him go. Sorry, I didn't film that. My camera skills are atrocious. Yesterday it was my wife's 40th birthday, and despite really bad weather, at least we got a really good picture for our family album.